Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my space. To all my supporters and all my channel members, thank you so much for the love and support. As you can see by the title, I am making this delicious meal. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this. Sister J's way, Sister J's version, Sister J's style.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap
So here's a rundown of some of the ingredients that I'll be using. I have the breadfruit right here, chocho, corn, carrots, potatoes, pumpkin, scallion, thyme, garlic, and pimento. And I have the seasoned chicken right here. So that's the breadfruit. I'm just gonna cut the heart out. I already have the breadfruit peel. So now I'm gonna peel all the rest of ingredients here and cut them up, guys, and wash them. So I have some boiling water on the fire, and I'm adding some garlic and some pimento to that. So now I'm gonna add the seasoned chicken. I'm just gonna cover the pot and let it boil up a little, and then I'm gonna be adding my corn and my carrots and my pumpkin to the pot. So here's a look at the other stuff that I have already peeled. There is the chocho, the breadfruit, the potato, and right here is the carrots. I also have a cock soup that I'll be using, some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper. Yes, guys. So now I'm going to be adding the corn, the carrots, and the pumpkin. Okay, guys. So here's the dough for the dumpling over here. And I did not make that dough. Someone is helping me out with this dumpling. Well, guys, to be honest with you, I'm not a dumpling lover. Yes, so, but anyway, I'm getting help for this dumpling. So I'm adding my breadfruit and my chocho. So guys, now the dumpling, them gonna go in too, but you know, I know me I make the dumpling, so you just have to see the dumpling them in the pot. All right, so I just I just had the potatoes in. Yes, guys, this is one pot of goodness right there. So pumpkin start mash up, and the soup a change color. Yeah, man. So we just stir this up a little, and then yeah, the pot smell good too. I'm adding some cock soup, so I'm just gonna sieve the seasoning in the soup, because I'm not gonna use the other part, the noodles. So that's what I'm doing right now. Guys, this pot smells so good. All right, I'm adding my hot pepper, my thyme, and my scallion. If you're here and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button below. put that post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. And if you are not yet connected with my other channel, Sister J's World, run over and show me some love. You can also connect with me on Instagram, Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine, and Facebook, Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine. Now I'm adding some black pepper. Adding some complete seasoning. Some garlic powder. Guys, this smells so good. You should be in this kitchen right now. Oh my God. Smells so good, guys. Now I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. So guys, here is my lovely soup. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, if you love this video, or at least learn something from this video, please give me a like, put that thumbs up, share me out with your friends and family. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Now I'm sharing myself a bowl. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good, one love, guidance. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say.